Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out around the face. Now we're just going to take a section of hair from the ear forwards on one side and just split this in half. Then we're simply going to wrap those sections around each other to create a loose twist. Secure this off with a clear elastic band. Bring this to the back of the head and pin it on the opposite side with a couple of bobby pins. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side, so take a small slice of hair from above the ear, split it in two and create a loose twist. Tie it off with a clear elastic band. And then we're just going to place this under the previous twist and pin it to the left hand side using a couple of bobby pins. Add some texture spray to the twists and along the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And all we're going to do is hold on to the end of each of those twists and gently pinch and pull with our fingers to give it a bit of volume. And then just pinch and pull at the crown so it's a little bit messy. Gather the remaining hair into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Divide it in three and just create a regular braid, securing it with another elastic band at the end. Add some texture spray to your braid, and then we're going to pinch and pull at the very edge of each of those loops. And also grab some sections from the middle to make it voluminous. Now taking hold of that braid, we're going to lay it horizontally and fold the ends in, and then just push it towards the nape of the neck and secure it all the way around the outside of the bun using a few bobby pins. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.